The future is in our younger generation. WVVA's Austin Davis presents a new organization designed to help kids obtain their dream job.
When children are asked what they want to do when they grow up, they may have a legitimate answer now.
So National Apprentice Day, it's a program that's year-round, and we connect kids to their dream job. We're creating a world where every child can discover and pursue their dream job, regardless of income, race, gender, disability.
The apprentices spent the day with House of Delegates candidate Stephen Baldwin learning a career in politics.
We learned how to campaign, how to be a campaign manager.
Taught me to get out and go around to the community and talk to other people.
Even Stephen Baldwin had a thing or two to learn from his apprentices.
It was a fun day. I really didn't know what to expect. They probably didn't know what to expect either. And after a long campaign, I told them when we began, I've been at this 18 months now, and I may be getting a little weary, but they gave me a lot of energy and ideas and enthusiasm, which was much appreciated.
For those who have not participated, one apprentice has a positive outlook on the program.
It's really fun, and you'll get to learn the job, how to do the job you think you want to do, but then you do it, and you might not want to do it anymore.
And this is just the beginning.
In the future, we want to help millions of kids, and right now we're starting in Greenbrier County, and we're on track right now to connect 100 kids by the end of 2016, and our goal is just to help kids all over the United States and spread the program.
Here for you in Greenbrier County, Austin Davis, WVVA News.
If you would like to sign up your child for the program, or if your business or organization is interested in participating, you can find out how to do so on Austin Story on our website. That's WVVA.com.